Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ̀ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
A lot of temptations came. I'm not going to lie to you. A lot of temptations came. A lot of setup. Because I was set up with a marketer, Epsilon. Mo ti sọ fún yín pé mo máa dárúkọ. Tẹ́ bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹ ready pé kí n má dárúkọ. Ẹ jẹ́ máa lọ jẹ́jẹ́ anybody. So back to Iroyin. Àmọye set up. I was set up with Epsilon.
Who did that?
So that one máa kówó fún wọn. Tóyìn ayé máa kù. So that one máa kówó fún wọn. When I was there, I lived with that for 3 years. So that one máa kówó fún wọn, one máa ṣe frame. A lot of temptations came. I'm not going to lie to you. A lot of temptations came. A lot of setup. Because I was set up with a marketer, Epsilon. Mo ti sọ fún yín pé mo máa dárúkọ. Tẹ́ bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹ ready pé kí n má dárúkọ. Ẹ jẹ́ máa lọ jẹ́jẹ́ mi.
No, mo ready.
Èmi ò kí ń ṣe èèyàn. Èmi ò ń ṣe èèyàn tí ó máa sọ̀rọ̀. Tó máa sọ pé mo forúkọ bò láṣìírí. Mo sọ fún sis dọjọ́ yẹn. Kí ló ń jẹ́ mo forúkọ bò láṣìírí? Ṣé àṣírí wo àwọn tó jẹ́ pé àṣírí wọn ti tú sáyé already? You understand? Okay, táṣírí wọn ò bá tiẹ̀ tú sáwọn tó máa ń wò wọ́n. At least within the movie industry. Àmọ́ what's up? Àmọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ. You understand? So what's the need trying to cover somebody's èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé kò wọn mọ nǹkan tó jẹ́ morals? Wọn mọ kankan, wọn kàn dá just so what's the point trying to sọ pé mo ready àti forúkọ bòyàn kankan láṣìírí o because let me ṣe wà yìí. Even before I always tell my friend, I don't know if she's still here watching, I always tell her even before I left for the UK. My coming into the UK was something that just came. It wasn't something that I was planning. Kama sọ pé bóyá mo ti mọ̀ pé mo ń travel ni mo ṣe quit acting. No, kò ń ṣe nítorí ẹ̀yẹn. So I've always few people tó mọ̀ mí. One more pé bí mo ṣe wà yìí. I don't send any bagger. So now you're there. I don't send any bagger because I believe that ìwọ tí help me nígbà yẹn. When I was really struggling, when I was really hustling, to be something, at least to be doing something that I had a passion for. Kò ń ṣe ìsìn yìí, sis. Kò kí ń ṣe ìsìn yìí ni ẹni yẹn máa ṣe nǹkan tí ó dáa fún mi. Kò kí ń ṣe ìsìn yìí ló máa sọ pé even ìgbà yẹn gan tá máa sọ pé wọn ò ní pé èèyàn ṣiṣẹ́ gan. Mo mọ bí mo ṣe máa ń ṣe, mo mọ tí mo yẹn máa ń tackle àwọn nǹkan kan. I know the way I talk about them. So kò kí ń ṣe ìsìn yìí ni kò sí nǹkan tí anybody, any one of them would think or consolation because the worst they could do then was not calling me for jobs.
Yeah.
And to God be the glory. Because some of those jobs, they won't even pay. If that's my passion, and when you location of the place, they won't even pay. They won't pay. You just go there and do your thing and get out. You understand? So can you move? For anybody. So back to Iroyin. I'm when you set up. I was set up with Epsilon.
Who did that?
So that one máa kówó fún wọn. Tóyìn ayé máa kù. So that one máa kówó fún wọn. When I was there, I lived with that for 3 years. So that one máa kówó fún wọn, one máa ṣe frame. You understand? A lot of things happened. A lot of things happened. What they are the opposite of the storylines. They are the opposite here. They are the opposite of the things they put out there for people to emulate from them. Yeah. My journey into the movie industry was, I wouldn't say it wasn't smooth, but I would say in my own little way, I paid my dues, but unfortunately there was nothing to show for it. And it was a world of, if you can't beat them, join them. And I was not ready to join in their bullshit because there's a lot of bullshit. This is Instagram. I'm not going to, I hope it won't affect because I'm going to be using some curse words because it is curse words they deserve. Yes. There's a lot of bullshit that goes on in that industry. There's a lot of bullshit. My journey into the movie industry, yes, when I started, it wasn't rough, it wasn't smooth. Like I didn't train under anyone when I came in. I came in at first as a freelance because I felt, I just felt I could do it. And I spoke to one person, and you know how it is. You spoke to somebody that knows somebody that acts and all that, So before I knew it, I started, and I met Toyin Aimaku. She's still Toyin Aimaku to me. I don't care whatever anybody calls her. Toyin is still Toyin Aimaku to me because I met her as Toyin Aimaku. Though the first time I saw Toyin Aimako was not on a movie set, it was in Ibadan, it was in a club in Ibadan. Do you understand? I saw her and you know me, if I like you, naturally, if I like you, I come to you, I tell you, oh, I like you, I like this about you, this, that, and that, you understand? So, so when I saw her I went with somebody to a movie set. So that was where I saw Tony again. And when she saw me, she was like, oh, I've seen you before. So I told her what we first met and all that. So she was like, what am I doing? I told her I want to start acting, that I came with somebody that came to see and Finger Kindle, you understand? So that was how I started. I started at you know, so along the line, a lot of things now started happening. And there's something about that industry, that evil industry, because they are evil there. Yes, they are evil in that industry. Yes. There's something about that evil industry. When they see that you are a newbie, sheshede, that's their word, sheshede, they want to take advantage of you.
Right.
They want to, in every way. If you have money, they will make sure they milk you. If you don't have money, they will share. They will take her. They will explore every honor. Since you get what I'm saying, you know, too. And it's a case of you know how to act, or more fuck that shit. Go see with talent. It's a case of you for you to get what you have to use what you have to get what you want. You understand? And
like a trade by barter.
If I want to use what I have to get what I want, that's if my frame, because when I started, up until when I left, it wasn't about being popular. For me, it was about doing what I had a passion for, what I was passionate about. It wasn't about, so that's why Igbaye go down your mouth pay fans. Me, that fans only Bosheman sound learning me. I see people, I see everyone. Don't appreciate you as friends, you know, well wishers. You understand? Not fans. I don't know. I won't come you meaning say me as a person. You understand? You get so.
Then after
if I have to use what I have to get what I want, if I have to be sleeping around, you understand? And your melo ni mo fe bason. Ti mo ma fi mama she frame. Yeah, because of course at the end of the day, even if fame was not what I had in mind before, it was just a case of doing what I had passion for. Yes, of course, that fame would come.